When a doorbell camera detects motion, it starts recording. It's a perfect upgrade of your home security, because when criminals see a security camera, they will usually keep moving along. But the doorbell cameras always film movement, and sometimes they also capture scary, incredible or hilarious moments outside your front door. Here are 30 weird doorbell camera videos. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe and hit all. This is a moment you wouldn't believe if it were not filmed. Imagine having a bad day at work, then this happens. Here's a guy who really hates his neighbor and decides to completely trash their house. Next time he should probably check for cameras so that he doesn't end up on national television. Stealing is wrong, even though some people might do it to provide for their family. But these thieves are on another level of evil, as they steal presents from cars on Christmas Day. This home security camera captures a shirtless porch pirate stealing some packages on his way home from the beach. He's now known as the Flip-Flop Bandit. This man sent a loving message to his wife through the doorbell camera.
Hi YouTube, happy holidays.
This delivery man couldn't resist slamming some dunks after dropping off a package. This curious dog sent the mailman running for his life. This family was taking a look at the floor outside their house, which seemed to be collapsing. Watch what happens next.
Hopefully it's not Halloween. Sean, are you okay?
Imagine taking a nap by the pool and suddenly a bear wakes you up. Check out this typical Karen neighbor taking the law into her own hands.
Hey, what are you doing there? Hey.
Yes.
Yes. Why are you taking pictures of my car?
I'm with the HOA, and
Yeah.
an unlicensed car is not allowed to be parked in the driveway. It has to be in the garage, or
Right.
it could be covered with a car cover.
Okay. I appreciate you not creeping around my house.
Well, I tried to come and knock on your door, so
Yeah.
just letting you know.
And then take a picture of my tag and
I will
so.
not submit the tag number, but I will have to submit the expiration.
Okay. I thought you guys did all that stuff from the curb and weren't coming onto people's property.
Well, it's pretty obvious that you backed the car in, so
Well, actually, that's how they dropped it off when I asked them to tow it. So,
Okay, well,
do you have a job?
yes, I work from home.
Okay. Cool. All right. Well, thanks for letting me know.
Okay. Thank you.
These guys were going around the neighborhood looking for unlocked cars. But once they reached a house with a doorbell camera, they were quickly scared away by the built-in siren. This solicitor was persistent and didn't want to leave until he got a sale. But watch what happens when the homeowner says he has COVID.
Yes, sir.
Hey, sir. I'm Tim. I'm with Aptiv. Take care of a bunch of your neighbors in the area. Did a pest control for them. I'm guessing you guys already have someone.
Yes, sir. Not interested today, thank you.
Totally. I hear ya. Honestly, no one's been seeing too much on the inside. It's been mostly out in the yards. So I'm guessing they're probably coming every 3 months for you, and they're just charging you like $120 around there. Does that sound about right?
Yes, sir. I'm not interested though, thank you, man. I'm sick right now.
Okay, sounds good. Well, we're doing it for just $30 a month, and I know you said you weren't interested, but $30 a month comes out to $90 on the quarter, so we're saving you $30, and we're doing a way better treatment.
A few minutes later.
Even in that yard. Now, do you know what company you're using by chance?
Sir, I have COVID. I'm sick.
Oh, yeah, sorry about that.
Check out this golden retriever pup learning how to play ball with his human friends. Catching snow isn't just for humans. This cat regrets going out in a snowstorm. This girl is very happy that her dad is finally home. Since this kid's dad travels a lot, his son found a creative way to keep in touch. Each day his son leaves updates for him and it's very wholesome.
Hey, kiddo.
Hi, Daddy. I hope you have a safe flight.
Thanks, buddy. I hope you have a wonderful day. You look marvelous.
Thank you.
I'm about to board here in a minute.
Oh, then I don't want to bother you.
Oh, you're not a bother, kiddo. You know that. Anything else you got to say? You gonna be good today?
Yeah, I'm going to be good today.
All right, kiddo. I love you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
This mother gets spooked by a stray dog on her porch.
Oh, hi. This is actually my house and I live here. So you just shut the hell up.
These guys were breaking into a house, but it didn't quite go as expected. This angry Karen destroys a Black Lives Matter sign.
Yeah, you're a piece of piece of piece of
Here's a really creepy neighbor. This is what the dogs do when you're not looking. These guys are going to be best friends forever. Watch how this woman comforts her little neighbor through a doorbell camera.
I'm just all by myself at my house.
You're all by yourself? Your mommy's not there?
No, no one's there.
Where's Grandma?
She's gone.
Grandma's not downstairs? Oh my goodness. Alyssa, do you have a phone number memorized that you call your mom?
No, I don't know my mom's phone number.
My mom we're texting her to see if she'll drive up there. Alicia?
Yes?
I'm gonna hang up the phone for a minute, but I can still see you, okay? I'm gonna call somebody and see if they'll come get you. So stay right there on the porch, okay, sweetheart?
Okay.
Which of these clips was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And